We'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT lagging issues. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. This issue often happens due to a high number of users, so the first thing you need to do is refresh the page. Click the refresh button on your browser or use the F5 key on your keyboard. If the lag persists, check your internet connection. You can do this by opening another website to see if it loads quickly. If your connection is slow, try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Once your internet is stable, go back to the ChatGPT page and refresh again. It's also a good idea to clear your browser cache, as accumulated data might slow down performance. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and select clear browsing data. Make sure to choose caching cookies from the options. After clearing, restart your browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. If you're still experiencing lag, consider using a different browser, as some might handle the service better than others. You can also try accessing the website in incognito mode, which disables extensions that might interfere with loading. Lastly, make sure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Keeping your browser updated ensures you have the latest performance improvements and security features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.